Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because subscribing is free.
Hi, welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
(2023) Ford Everest Raptor. Ford is one of the few automotive companies that have yet to produce a sport utility all-terrain vehicle. With the growing market for such cars and trucks, Ford decided to throw its hat into the ring with the newly redesigned 2023 Ford Everest, coming out later this year when you consider the extensive competition in the highly lucrative sport utility vehicle field. The all-new Ford Everest Raptor 2023 is the most advanced and capable version of the popular SUV. It features a new 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that makes 400 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, as well as an all-new 10-speed automatic transmission. The 2023 Ford Everest Raptor is a good car because it has a powerful engine and it is very reliable. It is designed to be used on terrains, and it can have a good performance in places with incredible landscapes. The car is suitable for climbing hills, mountains, and rough terrains because it has a powerful engine. Moreover, this car has an excellent design and the people who are going to buy this car will enjoy it. It will be very convenient for them to drive this car. However, the vehicle does not only have its advantages. The Ford Everest Raptor 2023 is definitely worth the wait. It's an impressive SUV that is sure to impress everyone who sees it. It has all the features you could want, plus some extra features that you won't find on other SUVs. I can't wait to get my hands on one. The all-new 2023 Ford Everest Raptor is set to be one of the most exciting and capable SUVs on the market. It will feature an aggressive exterior design with a bold front end, a muscular body, and large wheels and tires. The cabin is equally impressive with its high-quality materials and upgraded technology. This new Everest Raptor will also be available in different trims, allowing you to choose between a base model, ultimate, and extreme. The base model is set to be quite affordable for the segment, and it will include key features such as dual-zone climate control, Sync 3 infotainment system, satellite navigation, wireless smartphone charging, and more. The all-new 2023 Ford Everest Raptor is available, starting at $51,000. This high-performance SUV features a powerful engine, advanced suspension, and rugged styling, perfect for off-road adventures. While the Ranger-based SUV is not coming to the United States, that's not stopping Ford from slapping the Timberline badge on the Everest where the family off-roader is being sold. As a refresher, both the Explorer and Expedition models we mentioned benefit from a jacked-up suspension to improve ground clearance. The former has a single-speed transfer case and a torsion-limited slip differential, while the latter is fitted with a 2-speed case and a controlled track LSD. These Timberline versions are far from being Raptors, but do deliver extra off-road performance compared to the lesser trim levels. The Everest Timberline could happen down under since the trademark filed by Ford Australia with the local IP Bureau is for vehicles and their parts and accessories. Thank for watching.